Good evening, friends. I probably should say good night. It's basically 10 o'clock at night right now. On a work night, what am I doing to myself? I don't know, but that's why I'm kind of a lower tone right now. I'm going to be tackling something that a lot of people have been waiting for. Can you guess it? Yeah, it's this. We are going to finally organize this little area over here. The reason I have not really cared to do this is because it really doesn't bother me that much. Lately, it's been becoming a problem area and an eyesore for me, so that's why we're gonna do it today. I also was laying in bed the other night looking at my 2 shelves that hang on my closet doors. I realized that I am not utilizing those to their full potential. I could literally condense all of the stuff that is in 2 of those hangers into one. And what am I gonna do with the other one? I'm gonna try to hang it on this door and see how that goes. So let's see how far we get tonight. I do think that I will have some donate items, but I'm gonna be super honest with you. I use most of the stuff on this wall. Okay, now that we got like the bulk clutter out, this is all like bags. My local Baker's or Kroger has a bag recycling area, and I am going to make a bag of bags. I am gonna make a bag of bags to take there to recycle. This is all grocery bags, right? Besides this Aldi cooler one. Oh, but wait. These are also grocery bags. I might have a problem. But look, we can just take this bag and they have a little tube. You just shove them in. Next. Okay, this basket I got as a gift. It had other gifts in it. And I was planning on gifting this, like filling it with homemade goods for Christmas again. But I'm going to be honest with you, I'm kind of tired of managing it. So I might just donate it. Now look at this. Madness to madness keeps on choking me. This is these bags. So we're going to fold them and put them in here. And there we have it. This is full of all these bags. And I know a few people have made comments about this bag and my other bag hanging up there. I use this bag when we go to the lake or when I go camping, which I didn't do either of those this year, but that doesn't mean I'm gonna get rid of it because it was just too hot and time didn't work out, but I will keep it because it does a really good job and I use it a lot. And that is my hiking bag for when I go hiking. Again, this year, I didn't have a lot of time to do any of that, so I'm not gonna like get rid of these things. This is also my training bag for when I do agility with Kylo, or honestly, when I just do any kind of training with Kylo. This is our training bag. So I do think these could, this one at least, could find a home in the front closet, but this one I think is gonna hang up back here still because it's too thick for the other closet. Okay, so everything is off the door. I love these bags and I impulse bought them because I enjoy them. And I have that issue where it's like super pretty. Same with these ones. So I don't really want to use them, but I don't know what to do with them. This is my farmer's market bag that works really well when I remember to take it. How am I going to remember to take it when it's behind all of that stuff? So it needs to be easily accessible for me. So we will problem solve that in a minute. This is an apron that a family member made for me. I no longer speak with that family member because they would probably be offended by my t-shirt that I'm wearing, if you're catching my drift. So it's cute. It fits me and my vibe, but like, I don't know that I want to keep it. That might sound petty, but I don't think it is. I'll sit on that one a little bit too. These are macrame hangers. Clearly I have not used either of them for hanging plants. I do have 2 more plants that I want to hang. However, I don't like this one. I wish I never would have gotten this one. It's much like the other one I have, so maybe I'll sell that in my sister's garage sale. And this one is a handmade one from a local store, so I'll keep this one, but this one can go wherever it's gonna go. So this floor situation, okay? We have 2 recycling bins again already, okay? We just took those out. It's very frustrating. And then I have a box of tea. That is what we can see right now. And then the storage unit will come into play once we get that moved out. So let's do that real quick. This is what I am talking about. So my thought and theory is that all the stuff that is pantry overflow or snacks can go in here and hang on the door. I think I will keep the door hanger though, if it fits. I don't know. Let's give this a shot real quick. Yeah, that's not bad at all. This box, I think I've showed you guys this box before, but it has all of my tea items in it. I think I'm going to put some of these in here until I get jars for them, because that's mostly what I am waiting for is jars. I just am extremely indecisive, and it's my own problem that I can't find jars. Okay, so my teas are going to take up 3 of these. That seems excessive. But, I mean, if it works, it works. If you're wondering where those are all from, they are all from Mountain Rose Herbs. So everything that was in that little box on the ground was heavy. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to get a lot of this box stuff out of here and fill those 2 rows with it. My other thought too is up there, maybe I help condense that and put that in there, because then we'll see them and be more likely to use them. And if I have my teas up there, I'll know they're there and they're easily accessible instead of getting in a box. Thinking here. All right, let's just start with this stuff first though. I also really enjoy how these are clear. If you've been here a while, you know that my mind is very much so out of sight, out of mind. And that is 1000% exactly how Kelly is as well. Like if I don't see that I have it or like have an active plan for it, it's not going to get used. I'm trying to do a good job of stocking up on food and things when I can. And I just don't have the space for it. Maybe I do. Maybe I need to rethink that. I have the space for it. Maybe I just don't know how to utilize the space for it. I don't know. 2 things just fell in Kylo's water and I'm gonna crash out a little bit. All right, let's take down this turquoise bucket and put what's in there in here and then put the teas up there because the teas seem more unrealistic being there. Baking bin, trash, trash. These are fine. Kylo, if I kick you one more time, it's your fault, not mine. Bruh. Okay, much more realistic in this bin, I think. All right, so we cleared that out and all of them fit just like this. I like this a lot better because I can just grab it down and get them. See what I mean by I think snacks are gonna fit in here well? Yeah. And this thing's a little bit stronger even than I anticipated. Oh God, I almost died. I do still have a whole thing of overflow though. Give me a second to try to fit it all in there and see if I can. So I got everything out of the overflow. It's not pretty in there, but it is in there. I need to go organize that again. Okay, so now that the kitchen is kind of blown up, let's put it all back together and see what it looks like. I will be putting 2 of the recycle bags by the front door so I can take them tomorrow. But I mean, let's be realistic. I'm gonna have recycle in this corner because that's who I am as a person. So we might as well set it up realistically. Now I have a free basket to do whatever I want with. But right now I think it's just gonna be a basket in a basket situation. I don't want to deal with it tonight. All right, friends, how are we feeling about it now? Doesn't it look so much better? Yeah, so much better over here. So much more room. Yes, I know I need to get a door thingy instead of having a sheet like shoved in there, but it works for now. This is a 10 out of 10 idea. I'm actually super impressed with myself. I always say I don't think outside of the box very well, but when I look at some of the storage solutions I've come up with here, I'm like, yeah, you do a very good job, actually. Stop downgrading your creativity, because this came from just me staring at my closet one night. I was like, ding, ding, ding. So friends, just another example of how vertical storage is literally saving my life in this apartment. So thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for always giving me your encouragement and your ideas for this space. I think it, even 2 years going, this is my 3rd year here. I think it evolves every single year into something beautiful, homey, and even more whimsical and creative. So thank you guys so much for being here, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.